Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, and this is this is a super hack. I'm going to tell you, and the thing is that many people don't know about this, and most people get to know it once they start working, and this is a super hack. You can leverage it. Okay, now it applies to whom? Okay, so this concerns the names. Okay, now Indians have names, right? We have traditional names, and many people from South India will be having even longer names, first names. And in US, like, you will be always using your most of the time. Okay, so it's not a surprising thing that you will be using your first name. Okay, now this is something different if you are in Germany. Okay, in Germany, the the standard is to address people with their last names. Okay, they are very formal guys. Okay, this is Germany. Okay, now in US, as in Canada also, you are typically using first name. So if you don't have, like, if you have traditional Indian names, it will be difficult to carry out day to day activities, because people will not be addressed. They won't be able to address you. You won't be able to tell your name to them. Okay, now this is a very common problem I have seen. No one discusses about this, but everyone faces it. Like, most people who have that, who fall into this category, they will face this problem. Okay, now what is I have shown you a picture on the left side. You can see it. This is actually from a job posting. Okay, now this is something. Okay, I think this is a very well known company, and in that job application, that screenshot is there. Okay, now, so, like, for example, if someone has a name like Subramanyam, okay, then it will be pretty difficult for those people to pro- pronounce your name or tell your name. Okay, in that case, what, there is a hack. Okay, uh, this is you can use it, and I see most Indians don't know about it. So that's why I thought I should make a video on this. And if you have names like first names, okay, which are very difficult to pronounce, which are longer, then you can always choose what is called as your preferred name. Okay, so this whole thing is about preferred name, preferred first name. Okay, now in I think not in driver's license, but in other forms and official processes, you will encounter something called a preferred name. Okay, even in your I-20, in your university stuff. Okay, even in your resume also you can use this. Okay, resume, I-20, but not in driver's license. Driver's license is like, it's your it's a very fundamental, it's a basic thing that no one would want to have any ambiguity in. So that's why, except driver's license, in most of the places, in job boards, okay, in companies, you have this concept called preferred first name. Okay, in big companies they have this. Okay, so you can use this thing. Now, if, like, for example, if you even local people there, they tend to use this thing. Okay, so for example, we have seen it, like, your my professor's name was Daniel. Okay, first name was Daniel, and he uses Dan. Okay, now this becomes the preferred name, and this is the legal name. Okay, this is there. Okay, but you tell them that you want to be called by this name. Okay, Dan. Okay, because this is shorter, this is easier. So, like that only, like, you, very well known examples are there, people are not aware of. Because even Bill Gates, if you see, Bill is not his legal first name. Okay, it's William, actually. So he has shortened it to bill so that it is easier in day to day activities. So the similar thing other people can use, like international students who have this problem, they can always leverage this trick. Okay, in your I-20, if you are mentioning your preferred name as something, okay, so for example, taking the same case of Subramanyam. If you have something first name Subramanyam, then like you can have like Subi or something. Okay, so you can indicate this as your preferred name. So this will make your life a lot easier. Okay, and this is one of the very beautiful things about their system. Okay, they always prefer the work, like the end result. Okay, what you call people, what they their actual name is, it never matters. Okay, it always matters is work. Okay, so that's why. And so you can see it here. Okay, I'll show you. So here you can see that this is a like job posting for a company, and you, in the legal first name, you are going to write the actual name, and preferred first name you can mention it here. There is a field called preferred first name, and then legal middle name, legal last name. It is usually the first name that we tend to make it preferred. Okay, last name will remain the same because last name is not used very frequently in US. Okay, so this is it. So in I-20 you can do this in your resume also. So if you have done this thing and you are sitting for your campus interviews and all, you can mention your preferred name and the last name, legal last name, in your resume. And this is one of the things you can leverage it.